Yeah, I use those shoot those explosive boxes. It does a lot of damage, surprisingly. Of course, it's a sniping map, so I'll still do it. Flash? Control, nice. The should have seen me trying to get auto rifle kills on like first light. Let me tell you,
Time to fight.
didn't go too well.
Capture all zones.
Hey, my whole team didn't come with me.
Zone A secure. Enemy captured Zone C.
Oh my god. I'm dead.
Lost the lead.
Yep. That's how this match is gonna go.
Enemy captured Zone B.
I ain't too proud. I'll take the 2-shot.
You neutralized Zone B. You captured Zone B. Gained the lead.
Oh shit. Problem is I need pulse rifle kills. This game's a little laggy right now.
Zone A lost. Enemy captured Zone A. You're falling behind. You're in the lead. 2 for 1.
Okay.
Zone C neutralized. Zone C secure.
Get out the B. They're gonna. I saw the guy's kill. Sorry.
Heavy ammo on the way.
Here we go.
Heavy
Heavy.
ammo available.
Pull it. Do it. Do it. It's too long.
Skill is its own weapon. You wield it well.
I think everybody quit. Do-do-do-do. Oh, yeah. Man, what was he doing? Just sitting back with the rocket? Oh god, that was bad. Yeah, shouldn't have died there. I'm working on the Crucible quest line, like the one where you get the Crucible bounties from the what is it?
Zone B
Crucible
lost.
Quartermaster, something like that.
Zone A neutralized. Enemy captured Zone B.
Uh-oh. I hear ya. Cool.
Enemy
Yeah,
captured
you get through all like
Zone
the
A. Zone B
3 wins
neutralized.
and trials, 3 wins and all the
Zone
different
B
game types.
secure.
Then once you get those, then you have to. Now I'm on. You gotta get 3 wins. Oh, dude, push me.
Heavy ammo inbound.
I don't know what happened there. Feel like I got pushed off.
Heavy ammo available.
I mean, it's funny. I finished the last leg and I got like a 95 helmet. I ain't no dummy. I knew you were there. Oh, behind me. Not. Here, I'll show you the quest real
5
quick,
minutes
Anwar.
left.
It's Weapon Master. It started with Shax, and then it went over to the Quartermaster, or the Crucible Quartermaster, and now it's with the Gunsmith. It's weird. I don't know. I mean, this is the one they were saying that's like super long.
Zone B lost. Double down.
Oh, I knew that was there.
Zone A neutralized.
This is the one where once you complete everything, you can have a... in the face. I don't...
Zone B secure.
Okay.
Enemy captured Zone
I'm stuck.
A.
I'm stuck on the rock. This 6v6 playlist is like all the old maps. And you get a lot of people in here that aren't the greatest.
Zone
Oh.
A neutralized. Zone B lost. You captured Zone A. Enemy captured Zone B. Heavy ammo on the way.
Ooh, man.
Heavy ammo available. Finish them.
Should have enough.
Zones controlled. Targets eliminated. Nice work.
I think the reward just gives you weekly bounties for the Crucible. Yeah, remember when they were talking about getting weekly bounties from the Crucible, to where if you complete all of them in a week, you get a a Nightfall tier reward. So now that I completed that one, I think this is going to be something. Scout rifle kill. I don't have a scout rifle on me. Hold on, I gotta get off that. Ooh. I need a scout rifle. No, those are scout rifles. This is gonna be tough for me because I'm not a really big scout rifle fan. Doot, 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 doot. That's it. All those guns. Oh. Oh. And is Tread on Stars oh no. Take on. Oh. Don't know. I'll grab it. Yeah, for fun. A little bit of that is a scout. After revival, that's not. Yeah, I know. Hung Jewelry is probably better.